The students will see with the second type of problem in angle between the radius vector and the tangent. The given polar curve is 2a by r is equals to 1 minus cos theta. To start, I will write the given curve 2a by r is equals to 1 minus cos theta. I will mark this as equation number 1. Taking log on both sides. So log of 2a by r is equals to log of 1 minus cos theta. This is as good as log of a by b. Log of a by b is log a minus log b equals to. Are you going to apply the property of logarithm here? No. Why? Because we don't have log of a minus b. So log of 1 minus cos theta will remain as it is. Once we simplify the terms, mark it as equation number 2. Now start differentiating with respect to theta. Minus sign is there, so we have to differentiate this separately, this separately. So this becomes d by d theta of log 2a minus d by d theta of log r is equals to differentiation of log of 1 minus cos theta. 2a is constant, means log of 2a is also constant. So derivative of log of 2a is 0. I need to differentiate log r with respect to theta. This is as good as log u derivative or log x derivative. What is log x derivative? 1 by x. But here we are differentiating r with respect to theta, so it will become into dr by d theta. Log r derivative is 1 by r into dr by d theta. Similarly, log u derivative, this I am going to consider as something u. Log u derivative is 1 by u into differentiation of u. So minus 1 by r dr by d theta is equals to 1 upon 1 minus cos theta. I need to differentiate 1 minus cos theta with respect to theta. What is the sign here? Minus. So separately differentiate. So differentiation of 1 with respect to theta is 0 because derivative of a constant is 0. Minus sign I will write it as it is. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Minus of minus it is plus. 0 plus sin theta is sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Minus 1 by r dr by d theta will remain as it is. So minus sign as it is, and we know that 1 by r dr by d theta is cot phi. As in my previous, I have already told what is sin theta. It is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 upon what is 1 minus cos theta? It is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Sin theta by 2 and 1 sin theta by 2 will get cancelled. I am remained with cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2. Cos by sin is what? It is cot. So directly don't cancel now. This I am taking minus sign inside first. Then only you can cancel. You cannot cancel cot here if I get cot. No. First you have to take minus sign inside because we know that minus cos theta, cot theta can be written as cot of minus theta. So this becomes cot of minus phi is equals to cot of theta by 2. Cot will get cancelled. Minus phi is equals to theta by 2. Therefore phi is equals to what? Minus theta by 2. This is what the angle between the radius vector and the tangent for the given polar curve. Thank you.